batsman's departure changes the complexion of the game.
Nice running there. 2 added. Good running. A free scoring over for the batting side, taking advantage of some poor bowling. Good running. That's gone high in the air. He launches that up and over the rope. That's hit high. That one's out of here. Oh, superbly here. That will hurt the bowler's confidence. High in the air. Send that over the fielder's head and over the rope for 6. No stopping that. 4 runs. That's high in the air. Good ball, but an even better shot. 6 runs. Superb shot. That's high in the air. Off the bat and over the rope. High in the air. Send that over the fielder's head and over the rope for 6. A beauty of a delivery there.
The fielding team celebrates as the batsman trudges back to the pavilion.